Today we are going to learn how to draw a frequency polygon. We are given data of two sections, marks obtained by students of two different sections in a class. For example, marks are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 15. Now frequency, that is number of students who obtain 0 to 10 marks. 3 students. Number of students who obtain 10 to 20 marks, 9 students, then 17 students, then 12 students and then 9 students. Now in section B, मैंने एक कॉलम थोड़ा सा कम कर दिए. 0 to 10 marks, number of students are 5. 10 to 20 marks, number of students are 19, then 15, then 10, then 1 student. Using this data, we will draw a frequency polygon. Now how to draw a frequency polygon? In order to draw a frequency polygon, firstly, one more column is needed. Whenever we need to draw a frequency polygon, जब भी हमें frequency polygon बनाना है, साथ में class marks mention करने हैं. Now, how to calculate the class marks? We need to find the midpoint of each class interval. For example, 0 to 10, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. This is how to find class marks. 0 plus 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. Then 10 plus 20 divided by 2. 10 plus 20 means 30. 30 upon 2 is 15. 20 plus 30 divided by 2, it will be 50 upon 2, 25. Next one will be 35. Next one will be 45. Now these are the class marks. मैं space को थोड़ा सा बचाने की कोशिश करूँगा यहाँ पे. That's why इंटरवल्स को यहाँ से रिमूव किया और नेक्स्ट कॉलम विल बी. जनरली हमें इंटरवल्स को रिमूव नहीं करना है, हमें फर्स्ट कॉलम क्लास मार्क्स का रखना है, सेकंड कॉलम विल बी क्लास मार्क्स, थर्ड कॉलम विल बी फ्रीक्वेंसी इन सेक्शन ए. Likewise in section B, we will be having 3 different columns. So marks are obtained for both the sections. So class marks will be same for both the sections. यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा class marks. These are class marks. Class marks क्या है? 5, 15, 25, 35 and 45. These are class marks. इसको हम इरेज कर देंगे यहाँ से. Now we will draw frequency polygon. Again we will draw two different axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. Frequency will be plotted our y-axis and class marks here on the x-axis. Whenever we draw a frequency polygon, firstly frequencies are from 3 to 17. Now convenient scale will be, suppose we start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Along y-axis, one box equals to 2 units, that is 2 students. One box means 10 small divisions equals to 2. Along x-axis, class marks will be represented along x-axis. These are from 5 to 45. Okay, suppose this one is 0, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. These are class marks. यहाँ मैं लिखूंगा class marks. This one is frequency. Firstly, we will plot graph for section A. Class marks and frequencies. Class marks along x-axis, frequencies along y-axis. So first one is 5, 3. X is 5, y is 3. This one is x5 and then y3 के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? This one is 2, 4, 2 और 4 के सेंटर में it will be 3. x5, y3, then x15, y9, x15, y9. y9 will be between 8 and 10. x25, y17, x25, y17. Upward between 16 and 18. This one is 17. 35, 12. X is 35, y is 12. यहाँ से 12. X 45, y 9. X is 45 and y is 9. 9 means between 8 and 10. 9 पहले भी था एक बार. This one. Now we will plot the graph. बिल्कुल रनिंग हैंड में इसको ज्वाइन कर देना है. स्केल का यूज करके इसे ज्वाइन नहीं करना है. This one is graph for section A. बाद में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ये भी. Now for section B. When we plot graph for section B, हमने section A की frequencies को ignore कर देना. मैंने erase कर दी यहाँ से. Now X will remain the same because class marks are same and Y will be X5, Y5, X15, Y19. Now X5 and Y5. X5, Y5 means between 4 and 6. Between 4 and 6, 5. X15, Y19. This one is X15, Y19. So after 18, we will be having 20. 19 means between 18 and 20. Between 18 and 20. This one. X25, Y15. X25, Y15. Suppose this one is between 14 and 16. X35, Y10. X is 35 and Y is 10. This one. This one is 10. X45, Y is 1. 45 and 1. 1 means between 0 and 2. 1 will be here. Again, we will join these points. Now, we will join in dotted line. Variations रहनी चाहिए. Next point. यहाँ भी रनिंग हैंड में ही ज्वाइन करेंगे हम. This one. और ताकि कोई कंफ्यूजन ना हो उसके लिए हम इंडेक्स रख देंगे. बिकॉज एक ही ग्राफ पे हम दो सेक्शंस के रिजल्ट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. सेक्शन ए, देन सेक्शन बी. सेक्शन ए को हमने बोल्ड रखा है जस्ट लाइक. सेक्शन बी को हमने डॉटेड रखा है. यहाँ मुझे डॉटेड लाइन में, या फिर थोड़ा सा और क्लियर करते हैं इसको, डॉटेड लाइन में हमने इसको रिप्रेजेंट किया है. सो इसका इंडेक्स डॉटेड लाइन में रहेगा. दिस वन इज सेक्शन ए, दिस वन इज सेक्शन बी. यहाँ पे भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं सेक्शन ए, देन section B. Now question is, how can we compare the performance of two different sections? This one is the graph of section A, this one is graph of section B. If we compare both the graphs initially means for lower marks, here lower marks, but graph is high for section B. It means initially section B, lower marks के लिए section B का graph high means number of students having low marks are more in section B. But after that high marks की अगर मैं बात करूं, these are higher marks. Higher marks के केस में section A जो है वो ऊपर है, ठीक है. lower marks में section B ऊपर है, higher marks में section A ऊपर है. It means section A की जो performance है that is much better than the section of performance B. A की performance better है section B के comparison में. This is how we draw a frequency polygon. मैं लिख दूं यहाँ पे, this one is frequency polygon. ये बात हमें याद रखनी है. Whenever we draw a frequency polygon, class marks are required. And how to calculate class marks? Class marks can be calculated by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So this one is question number 5, exercise 14.3, class 9, mathematics statistics chapter. Thank you.